Namaskar, welcome to Simplify Your Space. Diwali is just around the corner and preparations are in full swing at homes everywhere. This is a great time to buy new items for your home, especially with the fantastic sales and deals available during the festival season. Amazon's Great Indian Festival Sale has begun, offering great deals on a wide range of products. Today I'm excited to share some useful and beautiful kitchen and dining products that are among Amazon's emerging brands. Some of these emerging brands had limited online presence earlier, but now Amazon is expanding the online availability of these products that were previously accessible only through physical stores, bringing them directly to the doorstep of every household in India. If you find any products interesting, you can find the link in the description box. However, always think carefully before making a purchase and avoid impulse buying. Today's video is made in collaboration with Amazon. So let's get started. Let's start by looking at some kitchen organizing products. I get really excited whenever there are new kitchen products. Good and functional products help make our kitchen routine easier. First up is this stylish black step organizer from Shiok Decor, perfect for storing spices and condiments in the kitchen. It's made from heavy-duty metal, and the most amazing feature is that it's an expandable step organizer, allowing you to adjust it according to the space in your cabinet. You can also use its two parts separately if you wish. Another great feature is the raised edges on each step, which keeps your items secure and prevent them from accidentally falling off. This is an excellent organizer to keep your spices in order, making your cabinet more functional and ensuring your kitchen routine is faster and easier. You can easily access the spices in the back without shifting the bottles in the front. Not only does this organizer make your cabinet more organized, but it also adds a stylish touch to your kitchen. Since we are talking about spices, let's move on to the next product, which is an essential part of every Indian kitchen, the spice box or masala dani. We have all seen and used round spice boxes, but I found this square spice box very interesting and smart. It is made of high quality rust-free steel and is from AGIF brand. The size is quite large and it comes with 9 compartments, which is a big advantage because most spice boxes generally have only 7 sections. I personally really like this 9-section feature. The compartments are also quite large and deep, allowing you to store a large quantity of spices. I usually store powdered spices and whole spices in separate masala danis, but with this spice box, you can conveniently store both in one, making your cooking routine easier. I also love the transparent lid, which gives this spice box a modern and stylish look. If you're looking for a good and functional spice box, I highly recommend this one. If you're looking for a spice box with a traditional and beautiful look, you will definitely love this one. Made by the brand Akshata, the spice box is crafted from brass and handcrafted by skilled artisans. It also comes with a knob on the lid that fits securely in the place. The lid features a stunning design that gives it a unique appearance. The box has 7 spacious compartments, making it perfect for storing your daily spices all in one place. Since it's such a beautiful piece, it also adds a lovely aesthetic to your kitchen. However, because it is made of brass, regular maintenance is required and it cannot be washed in a dishwasher. Next is this smart, spacious and stylish looking wooden countertop rack from the brand Brick Brown. Inside the box, you will find 2 wooden trays along with golden frames that need to be assembled. This is a 2-tier rack handcrafted from high quality solid wood. The golden frames give it a premium look and help enhance the aesthetic of your kitchen. It's fairly large and spacious, allowing you to store a variety of items like spices, oil dispensers, tea sugar containers, etc. with ease. This rack is very helpful in keeping your countertop organized and clutter-free. It looks beautiful when placed on the counter and adds a stylish aesthetic touch to your kitchen. If you are looking for a high quality wooden rack that's both functional and stylish, this is definitely worth trying. The next organizer is this acrylic 2-tier Lazy Susan or turntable from House of Quirk. It is very easy to assemble and has a stylish premium look. The best part is that it is 2-tiered, which helps you maximize vertical space in your kitchen efficiently. You can use it to store small spice jars, keeping your countertop neat and organized. Since it is a revolving rack, you can easily access the items by simply rotating it. It is versatile enough to be used on your dressing table for makeup items or inside your kitchen cabinet to store sauces, pickles, and more. This turntable is not only functional but also beautifully designed, adding a touch of elegance to any space. Many people use food wrapping paper or aluminum foil for packing tiffins. To keep these materials organized and easily accessible, this smart aluminum foil cutter cum organizer from House of Quirk is a perfect solution. It features 2 compartments where you can store your choice of food wrapping materials. It also comes with a self-adhesive hook for wall mounting. To use it, simply insert the roll into the rod and secure it in the compartment. Pull a little bit of the wrapping paper out and close the box lid. Additionally, you can fix another rod underneath to store kitchen paper roll. There is a cutter on the outside, so when you pull the paper slightly and slide the cutter from one side to the other, it cuts easily. This organizer keeps all your wrapping materials and kitchen roll neatly stored. You can mount it on your kitchen wall or backsplash. I found it to be extremely handy for packing tiffins during the morning rush. The wrapping paper cuts quickly and effortlessly. There is also a magnetic strip on the back, allowing you to attach it to the side of your fridge. I am showing it here as I don't have space on the side of my fridge. Overall, I think it is a very smart and functional organizer. Next up is this adorable and cute decorative wooden tray from Wood Art Store. This tray is of excellent quality and is definitely worth buying for its price. You can use it for serving, but it is also versatile enough to be used in various places around your home. With its rustic look, it can be placed on your kitchen countertop to store tea and sugar containers or spices. On your dining table, it can help organize dining essentials. Wooden trays add a sophisticated and premium touch to any corner or table, and I personally use them quite often. Next is this beautiful tray set from Dully brand. These trays are made from MDF and are enamel coated. I really love the blue Moroccan print, and there are many different prints available in this range. You can use them for serving or as decorative pieces on your dining or center table. This is a lovely set of trays. There is also a matching tea coaster set in the exact same color and print, which looks very elegant and beautiful. This set includes 6 coasters that come with a stand, keeping all the coasters organized in one place. The stunning print enhances the aesthetic appeal of the table, making it look even more beautiful. Now let's take a look at some dining table covers. First up is this cotton checkered print yellow tablecloth from Airwill brand. It is designed for 6-seater dining table, but it feels a bit small for my table size. It would be perfect for a 4-seater. The cotton quality is excellent, and I really like its simple, elegant check print with a wide yellow border for regular use. It gives the dining table a nice, sophisticated look. Next up is this beige and off-white color 6-seater tablecloth from Urbano Homes. Made from high quality cotton, its length is perfect for a 6-seater dining table. It features beautiful tree prints that give your dining table an elegant look and make it great choice for regular use. In addition to covering the dining table, you can also cover the dining chairs to protect them from dust and stains. Elastic slip covers like these are quite trendy, and I have been using them for the past 4 to 5 years, which has kept our dining chairs in excellent condition. These covers are from House of Quirk brand and are made from high quality stretchy material. They are very easy to put on the chairs and can be machine washed effortlessly. The white leafy print adds a lovely touch to the chairs. You can find various prints, and if you prefer something simpler, solid colored chair covers are also available. So far I have shown you different designs for table covers and chair covers. But if you are interested in purchasing a matching set of table and chair covers, those are also available on Amazon nowadays. This is the Omai brand's 5-piece dining set, which includes 1 dining cover and 4 chair covers. Its material is waterproof and stain resistant, ensuring your furniture is always protected from food spills. They are also very easy to maintain since they can be easily washed in the machine. I think this type of dining set is a great way to give your dining table an elegant look. Now that we have covered dining table covers and chair covers, let's look at some dining mats. First up is this beautiful cotton jacket 6-piece dining mat set from Hokipo brand. Made from thick material, it's easily washable in the machine. The red diamond print adds a lovely traditional yet subtle look to your dining table, making it a stunning addition to your decor. This set is definitely a charming choice. Next we have a set of 6 cotton dining mats in indigo blue from Encasa EXO. They feature a beautiful Jaipur Sangneri handprint, and I truly find this set to be gorgeous. If you love traditional Indian designs, you will definitely appreciate this one. With the festive season upon us, such prints bring a lovely traditional vibe to the home. The indigo blue color gives a bright and vibrant look to the table. Here is a tip. When using bright printed mats, pair them with solid colored or thin bordered crockery. This combination makes the dishes stand out beautifully and creates an impressive look that your guests will surely admire. Next we have a set of dining mats from Hokipo brand made from fox leather. I really love the shape and color of these mats. They are not only anti-slip but also waterproof and heat resistant. You can simply wipe them down with a damp cloth, making them maintenance free. They look absolutely adorable on the dining table. Since we are using solid colored mats here, pairing them with printed dinner plates will make the dishes stand out beautifully, enhancing the overall aesthetic of the dining table. Lastly, we have these beautiful and elegant looking braided jute round table mats from Jasmine Home brand. This is a set of 2 mats, but you can also get sets of 4 or 6. While you can use them as placemats, I mostly use them as large coasters. I place them in the center of the dining table and put a planter on top, which enhances the table's look and make the planter stand out. They also serve as hot pot stand for placing serving dishes on the table, adding a subtle, elegant touch to the setting. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and liked the selection of kitchen and dining products showcased today. You can purchase all these products at great discount during the ongoing Amazon Great Indian Festival sale. There are thousands of deals in different categories, so do check it out. I have provided the links to all these products in the description box. Thank you for watching. Happy festivals, and I will see you all in the next video. Until then, happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.